Wait a second. Am I starting a bike shop? Well, this isn't my bike and I am working on it. So stick around till later in the video because we're going to talk more on that subject. But first, we've got some work to do. This beautiful 1989 Rockhopper comp belongs to my rad new friend named Terry, who found the channel through an article which was featured on the Radavist, highlighting a resto mod project that I did on my 1991 Fisher Advance. In this video, we're gonna be restoring and modifying Terry's dream bike, so let's get to it. Back in the day, Terry worked in a bike shop, and this exact bike right here was his dream bike back then. Unfortunately, he said they were always selling so quickly out of the bike shop that he never had the opportunity to buy this bike, up until recently when he found this gem. While he was dropping this bike off with me, he shared so many rad stories with me, from working in that bike shop, early days mountain biking, and beyond. We spent nearly 2 hours just chatting bikes, and it was truly a treat. He told me all about his early days mountain biking, how it kept him grounded, and even how he met his wife on a mountain bike ride all those years ago. His story was absolutely beautiful, and I'm so dang grateful he shared it with me. And it makes me so happy to know that this bike right here is gonna allow him to keep adding unforgettable moments to his life. We're gonna give this bike a full refresh by tearing it down to just the frame and giving it a deep clean. Then we're gonna repack all the bearings with grease and build it back up with some tasteful mods to make it just a little bit more comfortable so Terry can get out there and enjoy cruising it around, exploring some rogue single track, or simply riding it to the store in style. Let's start tearing this thing down so we can get him rolling. It's projects like this one that remind me why I like doing this type of work so much and reviving bikes that may have otherwise just been forgotten. But the truth is, it requires time, parts, and coffee. A whole lot of coffee. And thankfully, these videos are made possible by Traction Coffee Roasters. I founded Traction back in 2018, and all of our coffee is roasted by riders for riders. And for a limited time, you can save 30% on your first Traction Coffee order by using this coupon code right here at tractioncoffee.com. And as always, I'm beyond grateful for your support in whatever form that may come in, whether it's just liking this video or picking up a bag of Traction Coffee. And with that being said, if you have any coffee related questions, please leave a comment down below and I'll point you in the right direction. And while we're on the topic of small businesses, am I starting a bike shop? Not exactly at the moment anyways, but I do have this dream that keeps coming to the front of my mind and I can't stop thinking about it. In the future, I would really love to open a Traction Coffee Cafe that's also a specialty bike shop, specializing in curated restorations or resto mod type builds. I would really love the opportunity to create a super soulful space for intentional, high quality bikes and coffee. A place where everybody's welcome that's truly founded on community. Somewhere where you can have open and honest conversations and experience real connection. It would be a launch pad for incredible rides, impactful meetings, a place where you can reconnect with an old friend or find inspiration, or simply just get a really great cup of coffee. I don't know when this will happen or if it ever will for that matter, but in my experience, the second I usually say things out loud, it sets the wheels in motion. So with all of that being said, I'm curious what you think about the idea. Let me know down in the comments. Would you hang out there? Before we hand this bike off to Terry, we're gonna take it for a quick joyride just to make sure everything's working right. And yeah, I wanna feel this thing for myself because if it rides half as good as it looks, we're in for a really good time. There's something really special about a bike like this. It offers pure connection between rider and machine. It doesn't pretend to be anything it's not. It's honest. And in a world full of overbuilt, overhyped bikes, that kind of character is rare. And riding it just feels right. I feel lucky to have played a small part in this bike's next chapter and in Terry's story. His love for bikes goes deep, and if this rig gets him back out riding more frequently, smiling and enjoying the simple pleasures of just pedaling, well, that's a win. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this project and coming along with me for that joyride. I've got to say, I'm a little bit jealous that this bike is not staying with me because it rides so smooth, it goes so fast with little effort. It's a special machine. Now, if you have an old bike just sitting around, don't count that thing out because I'm certain it has plenty of joy still left in it. And if you need help bringing that bike back to life or realizing a dream build, hit me up because I would be stoked to help. If you enjoyed this video, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to ring that notification bell because we have new content dropping every week. And I'm also curious, since this is Terry's dream bike, what is yours? Do you own it? Are you still looking for it? Let me know down in the comments below. Oh, hey, you're still here. Well, if you're looking for another video to watch, click here to go for a bike ride with us, or click over here to check out another build. We'll see you over there.